Hi everyone! Welcome back to Jesmin Paper Crafts, where we turn simple paper into stunning home decor. Today, we're making a vibrant yellow and violet paper Wallmate, a perfect addition to brighten up any room. Yellow represents sunshine, happiness, and warmth, while violet symbolizes creativity, inspiration, and mystery. Together, these two colors create a beautiful balance of energy and calm. Whether you're decorating your bedroom, office, or living room, this Wallmate will add a pop of color and artistic flair to your space. Let's dive into the materials. All you'll need are some yellow and violet sheets of craft paper, scissors, glue, and a ruler. Feel free to choose different textures of paper if you want to add more depth to your design. We're going to start by cutting out several identical squares of both yellow and violet paper. Then, we'll fold them into a simple petal shape. This will form the core structure of our Wallmate. I'm using a basic folding technique here, but don't be afraid to get creative. You can try different folds or even combine various shapes. Once we have all our petals, we'll glue them together in alternating colors, creating a beautiful floral pattern. This part is really fun because you'll see the design take shape right before your eyes. By alternating the yellow and violet, we're creating a striking contrast that makes the Wallmate visually appealing. And there you have it, a stunning yellow and violet paper Wallmate, ready to be hung on your wall. It's easy, affordable, and a fun way to bring art into your home. If you like this project, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Jesmin Paper Crafts for more creative ideas. I'd love to see your versions of this Wallmate, so make sure to tag me on social media.